Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd bin Kamarulzaman, student ID 2023-670-778, here to present you our group assignment for ICT 450. The assignment question is an ordering system for Bukhari Maju Enterprise. Here is the list of our team members, and here is the hierarchy of the organization, which will obtain by interviewing with the owner and his staff. Here's the company background. The owner is Afiq bin Safwan, and one of the branches of the company includes Afiq's Kitchen, which you may find at our college cafeteria. In Afiq's Kitchen, it's staffed by 3 people. However, for the entire company, it is staffed by 10 people, which makes it a fairly small company. Here is our business function. It takes order via manual method. If you went there, you will see that they jot down yours on a notepad, and they will also jot down your name when you give them an order. Then they will store the orders in the logbook, and the record of the sales will be stored in a digital file on a weekly basis. This method, of course, presents problems. The problems may include the risk of data redundancy. Why? Because when you jot down, when the staff jots down, there may be a risk at the staff jotting down the incorrect order or duplicate orders, which may result in data redundancy, which the system has no ability to detect. Then it lacks the fail-safe measure of backing up data. Since they store the data in Excel, they only store the data locally. In the event of the hardware failing, all the data will be lost. Next, well, it takes a bit of time to load the data since Excel's not usually good at loading bulk amounts of data. You will require a database system for that. And finally, the lack of data protection means unauthorized users may access the data. Hence, the objective of this project is to gather and analyze requirements from Afiq's Kitchen Company to design a flowchart and an ERD based on the first objective, and finally, to create a database system for Afiq's Kitchen and for the entire organization by using Microsoft Access. Here is our ERD, which we see for customers. You may see that a single customer can make multiple orders. However, these orders a lot of these orders can be made by only one customer at a time. Next is for the orders menu. Inside the orders, there may be one or multiple items for the orders. Then for the staff may manage one or multiple orders. However, these multiple orders can only be managed by a single staff at a time. Finally, for the menu, because in the orders menu, it may consist of one or more items. That's all. I will pass this on to my group mate. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puteri Adilah. So this is our system, which is our kitchen. So we're going to start with logging menu. So you enter your staff email. So this is the correct email. Now we're going to try to enter the wrong password. So it will display a correct password message. Now I'm going to try to enter the wrong email. So it will also display the error message. Now I'm going to enter the right one. So please make sure the password and also email is right. Now this is our home page. There is a navigation control and also a button, so you can just click on to use. We're going to start with the staff. So this is the staff font. There is an ID, name, position with the salary, and then there is a number, address, email, and the salary. Also input a picture. So that's the next button, and then the previous, the first page, the last one, and then we're also going to delete a record. Then you can add any record, so we're going to try to do mine. So staff ID is 0248 p.m. the patient counting and number. Put the trust. Email. And then the salary is on patient choose. Then we're going to insert picture of yourself. So add and keep the picture and okay the CV record. There's also adapted. And then we have to find the record, so we can find using the staff ID. For example, 20243. So we'll try it. Then we also have the close button. Now we're going to open the customer form. So there's customer ID, name, address, and email. All of the buttons functions as the result. We're going to add a new record. So customer ID, want to write let's say 3 Irish. And then the address and also enter her name. Now save the record for official list. We also have the find record, so we can find the ID, which is 120. So here, let's try to find it. See, so now we're going to open the menu font. So for the menu font, menu ID, menu name, the picture, and also the price. So that is all of the menu list. And then buttons, we're going to try to add a new menu. So menu ID 211, name is Azahar. Then we can insert a picture, so add, and then the Azahar picture, and then the price. So for example, for Azahar. So the updated menu will be there. So now the order, there is order ID, date, time, customer ID, customer name, staff ID, staff name, and then the menu list, and then the orders menu. So we're going to try to add an order. So add button. So order ID. Okay. The date is today. So let's say time is 1:25 p.m. And then the customer ID, order ID, the staff ID today, just today. And then the menu list, we also have a menu picture, so customer can refer trying to order. So order ID, menu ID, 12205, search order, quantity is 2, menu price, down to 7 is repeat, all is right, 209, this is off with order. And then Lazada, which is a menu at. So now that's the total. You just save the record. Order will be there. You also can find order ID, so for example, at the slide. That's all for the font.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wirdatul Khalij binti Roslan. So now I'm going to explain about our report. In our report, we have customer report, staff report, orders menu report, orders report, daily item sales report, monthly item sales report, daily sales report, monthly sales report, and the last one is total spend by customer report. So first and foremost, I'm going to explain about our customer report. So in this customer report, we have all the information about our customer. All the information will be inserted by our staff, and all the information will be permanently in our system, like this. So in this customer report, we can see we have a customer ID, customer name, customer address, and customer email. We also can print this customer report by just click at the print button, like this, and this will appear on your screen. If you want the hard copy version, you can print this customer report. So next, as you can see, we also have the search button. If you click at the search button here, we have a customer service. What is customer service? This is the easiest way to search for customer. Maybe you want to search for a certain customer, you can search by using their customer ID or customer name. For example, we use the customer ID, like this 102. Then just click button search, and then all the information about our customer will appear. So let's try for use their name. So this will appear on your screen. So if you want to know more details about our customer, just click the details button, and then you will see all of the information about our customer. You can see their customer ID, customer name, and so on. We also can know their total item, total sales, and we also can print for hard copy version, and then this will appear. So next, I'm going to continue with the staff report. So in this staff report, we have the staff ID, staff name, staff number, and staff email. In this staff report, whenever we have a new staff, we will insert their information here, and all the information will be permanent. We also can know our total staff here, and we also have the print button here. And the next one is orders menu report. So in this orders menu report, we have their menu ID, order ID, and their quantity. So for example, for menu ID 201, the quantity for the day is maybe like 2 only. So we can know the total here. We can know the total order. We also can know the total quantity for the day. So here we also have the print button to print for a hard copy version. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, and today I will explain to you guys about the report. So I will explain about the order report. Order report is the order made by the customer. So we can create a new order here. So let's say 16. Date is today, and time which is 11. Okay. Customer ID we choose Muhammad Shafiq. Staff ID Puteri. Order ID 16. New ID 201. Menu name, quantity we choose 9. Price. Then we add more. We add two zero eight mac and cheese, quantity 10. So we can see the total price in here. So save it, and then we can see on the orders. 5/6/2024, 21. Okay, so let's move on to the daily item sales report. Daily item sales report, we used to see the item sales in daily. We can see here 2024 mac and cheese total quantity is 1 and the total sales is 4 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, and we can see the total quantity is 135 and the total sales is 772.5. Move to monthly item sales. Monthly item sales is we want to see the item sales in month. As usual, you can see the total quantity and the total sales in this month. So in June 2024, total quantity is 21. The price, the sum is 157.5. Move to monthly item sales. This is daily sales report. This is sales we make in daily. So we choose 5 June 2024. We make sales in that day is 347 ringgit. And we can see the total sales below here. Monthly sales report. This is we can see the month in we can see the sales in 1 month. So let's do June. We make 347. May we total sales is 4 ringgit, and January 421.5. And total spend by customer. This report we can see the total spend by the customer. So we choose Adam Zulkarnain. The total sales is 70 ringgit. The last part is this is the customer report. You can see here we have more than 10 customer. Total customer we have is 11. So when we want to search one particular customer, can click this button and then search his name. For example, Ryan. Search, and then all the detail will show in here. We can see the staff ID and who is staff, who took the order, customer address, customer email, how much it's order, the total sales and the total item. And then we can print it. This is the preview of the print.